Cut your Play-Doh. You're gonna use your fork with it. Smash it. Does that fork stick in it? Oh! Gonna fling that across the room. Rangel will like that. Oh, you got the whole piece. Mommy needs to get you little cookie cutters to play with. I think I have some. I wonder where they are. Smash! Oh, that went right on Mommy's shoe. Let's go see if we can find those cookie cutters. No, don't eat it. Yuck.